Good morning, YouTube family. I hope everybody's finding this day and they're doing great. I gotta tell y'all, I'm excited. I'm excited for this year. I have been in a slump, but this is going to be the year things are going to happen around here. So as I'm making this bed, this will be the last time I make this particular box spring and mattress because we got a new box spring and mattress, and we're actually going to have to take it off of the bed frame because it ended up being way too high. And I'm 5'8", 5'9" and I need a step stool to get into the bed. So we're going to just take it off of the frame and then it'll be back to a regular size height and all that good stuff. But we also got some more things coming that I'm excited about. Long overdue. And yeah, I'm just excited. Our little tent got here. I haven't set it up yet. I figure I will bring y'all along with that one. And yeah, we're going to do it in the backyard because he said I had to try it out in the backyard before we can just go anywhere, and because I don't think he thinks I'm going to like it. But we're going to see. It's one of those inflatable tents, and it's got like the little stovepipe opening where you can put a wood stove, but we have like a little buddy heater and stuff like that, but it sure has turned off cold, so I really don't want to do it right now. Maybe sometime soon it warms up just a touch, but we still got to get a few things for the inside of it because I'm not going to sleep on the bare floor in a tent. And yeah, but we are going to get this made up, and then we are going to move into, I guess you could call it my little office area, my middle room that always stays a mess. And I am going to get it straightened out because I had moved some furniture around. I moved my little makeup table area back into the bedroom and moved the treadmill and my granny's cedar chest back into that middle room. And then I moved my desk, and where I put it wasn't the smartest idea. So I'm going to have to rearrange everything in there and get that straightened out so that I won't have a heat stroke sitting by that propane heater. But yeah, that's the plan for today, and I hope y'all are here for it. I hope you find some type of motivation out of this video or just have fun hanging out. And I'm glad you're here. So here's my little makeup nail table thing We got videos coming soon on a makeup tryout. I forgot to do an unboxing, but we got some makeup to try out, so. And some nails to do, but here's the state of the middle room right now. I'm just going to get in here and start moving stuff around, kind of like wash the baseboards as I go, because they've not been done in quite some time. But yeah, we're going to get it all straightened out and looking pretty decent. Not the greatest, but absolutely not the worst it's been. So yeah. Well, this video is winding down, and I'm going to give y'all a final overview. I really am happy with how this turned out, and I hope I can manage to keep it this way for a little while at least. And if you made it this far, I sure do appreciate it. And I have a video coming out. I made some homemade sausage, and I wanted to share that with y'all. But here's the overview. I sure am glad y'all hung out with me today, and I hope y'all have a very blessed rest of your day, and I'll catch you soon.